When working with large amounts of data, it's often easier to identify groups of cells with related data by name rather than cell reference. Once defined as a named range, they can be entered into formulas by name, making the locating of the source data easier and clarifying a formula's contents. To create a named range, select the cells containing the data you wish to name. Click into the name box. Type a name for the range and press Enter. Alternatively, select the cells, go to the Formulas ribbon tab and click Define Name. Enter a name and click OK. The Create from Selection command can be used to automatically create a named range from selected cells. The name will be allocated using the cell in the top row, left column, bottom row or right column of the range. To find a named range quickly, use the drop-down arrow in the name box. Select the name to navigate to that location within the worksheet by using Find and Select on the Home ribbon tab. The Go To command is available to navigate to a named range. Choose the name and click OK. Creating named ranges isn't available within Excel Online. However, the name box or Go To can be used to navigate to ranges that were named using the desktop version. To create new named ranges, click the Editing button to open the workbook within the desktop app. There are rules for naming ranges. They must consist of valid characters. The first character must be a letter, an underscore or backslash. This rule applies to the first character only. Cell references are disallowed. Names can't be the same as a cell reference. Spaces aren't valid. Use the underscore or full stop as word separators. There are limits on name length. They can be up to 255 characters. Names aren't case sensitive. They can contain upper and lowercase letters.